So here is the results. 76% of you think that stress is helpful. Typically, we often see a 50-50, especially when we get more mid-level or frontline people. So 70% believe it's helpful, 24% hurtful. And, you're all right, because the thing is, stress is very helpful to increase performance until it's too much and it sort of causes us to start melting down. And there's in some cases it is hurtful and some situations are helpful. So it can be either. We obviously would like it to be helpful, sorry. So if we go look at our firm, just in terms of our philosophy is to success at work and thrive in life too. That's what we're about. We want, because we know when leaders are happy and thriving, it has a great radiating effect in their life and on their work. But to thrive in one and not the other is kind of tough. It doesn't sustain so much. And for me, and as I explained my own story of burnout, is that I was always curious why some high achievers thrive and while others, burn out or fade away. What I've learned over the years is actually everybody burns out at some point. That's part of the game most of us are playing. The ones that fade away or their lives end earlier is a whole other thing that we'll talk about today.